you're too cool for just a walk.
Even if his brain says quiet, his heart says wiggle.
His one whisker though looks cut. Like it's a little.
Via probably bit it off.
No kisses on the face. Paisley.
The bear. Behold, an apex predator.
Harp seal pups are born with a fluffy white coat that helps them blend into the ice, but they keep it only for a few weeks.
Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland.
Tell us in the comments.
I hope this makes your day, Dad.
Grab a snack and enjoy.
C'est du foutage de gueule.
You didn't make it too far.
When life literally rolls you into comfort.
Even the squirrels in the next.
That's exactly why pets hate vacuums.
What in the world, bud? Dude, that's nasty.
He can smell his favorite treat from a mile. Dog owners know silence usually means something terrible happened.
Slowly.
For a first birthday, nothing beats a dolphin blowing rings just for you.
Oh my God, he's pulling it over. Look at this, one arm. One arm and it's done.
Like nothing.
When something perfect happens,
Is that good?
Yes. that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, we're watching the happiest dogs meet their baby humans.
That yawn deserves an Oscar. Respect for personal space. Looks like the start of a new friendship. Who says dogs and cats can't be best friends?
Fact, dogs are masters at reading human micro-expressions.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Slowly.
For a first birthday, nothing beats a dolphin blowing rings just for you.
Bears have a sense of smell 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Clean your car.
Get up.
Sometimes it's hard to hold the love that is huge.
Lucy, don't you like being brushed?
Really?
Boy suddenly became a very dangerous mission.
What did you...
Each other. Just not during nap time. Looks like the dogs run this training session.
When something perfect happens,
Is that good?
Yes.
Biscuit, you leave that baby alone. Biscuit, are you talking back?
a lot of people think parrots are easier.
No.
Yeah, not really.
Why y'all do this? Oh my god.
Bumblebee, how cute!
Harp seal pups are born with a fluffy white coat that helps them blend into the ice, but they keep it only for a few weeks.
The crows are dive bombing baby. Oh my god.
Guess who's not welcome in this yard?
Oh my god.
A self-care Saturday kind of lady. Watch and learn, people.
All right, there you go, buddy. Oh, no, no, no. No, mommy. No, mommy. No. No, mommy. No.
Yeah, he's right under the tire. Oh wait, here he is.
Looks funny, but he's clearly practicing for his upcoming Olympic gymnastics debut.
Cats never take the easy way.
This one whisker though looks cut. Like it's a little.
Mia probably bit it off.
Been watching you.
I feel like the fake perfume. There's a cat. Oh my. Hello, sir.
Wind therapy with the side.
When it's your first day on the job and you've already messed up,
No, he's gonna go in for it. Oh my god.
Retriever brains only use two settings: happiness and fetch.
don't you like being brushed?
Really?
If our pups didn't make your day, nothing will. Like and subscribe for more.
Legit.
Simba.
Come on, we all know what pugs actually love.
Laura? Really?
When you're too cool for just a walk.
He's a 100-pound tank with a marshmallow heart.
What do you smell? What is that?
I'm laying here with the kitten, and I look up.
Jealousy never looks so serious.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
And the club's won. Even if his brain says quiet, his heart says wiggle.
Subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome. Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy.
The bear. Behold, an apex predator.
You're fine.
Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy.
Can we have that back, please? Mace. Oh no. Oh no. Drop it. Drop.
Gotta admit, that's a pretty original way to walk the dogs. Every cat owner asks this all the time.
Why didn't this new human come with the extra fur package?
Looks like the start of a new friendship.
You're lesbian? Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Can we have that back, please? Mace. Oh no. Oh no. Drop it. Drop.
Ever get the feeling cats are just weird little roommates?
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
That might be the laziest happy dog ever.
when the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
What do you smell? What is that?
Hey, bear.
Just making sure he's still the face of the forest.
Hey, bear.
Go spin. The winner will win a lifetime supply of salmon.
You should.
Hey, sorry, Todd. We were thinking about doing a picnic out here, but I did not think that they'd come this quick, man.
We were literally out there for.
Neighbors who aren't exactly on speaking terms.
Watch out. Not too close. Here comes the cub out this side, baby.
I don't know.
Hey.
To anybody having a bad day, just know that Benny put his freaking ball through this hole and he's refusing to leave. So I've been here for 20 minutes trying to push.
They grow bigger every month, but never outgrow the puppy energy.
You know it's true love when a dog offers up his favorite toy.
That yawn deserves an Oscar. Respect for personal space.
If weaponized incompetence were a dog,
Safada.
Just remember, it's really slippery out here.
Come on.
How many raspberries can you balance on your nose, Samantha? 1, 2. Good job. Very good. That's good. That's
each other. Just not during nap time. Looks like the dogs run this training session.
Oh no, Bear is just taking his mobile buffet to a more private location.
flying foxes, also known as fruit bats, are vital pollinators in Australia. And yes, their love for fruit lives up to the name. Brown snakes are highly venomous and common across Australia. That's why professionals, not homeowners, should always handle a situation like
when you try to get up, but decide it's not worth it.
Okay. Whatever it is you need to do, I guess.
The best kind of workout partner? the one who never blinks.
Aw. Come on, Tree. We're coming in.
Молодец.
Guess those AirPods of
Here comes the cub out this side, baby.
I don't know.
Hey,
the last lick is always the hardest. When even your own paw turns against you. Flying foxes, also known as fruit bats, are vital pollinators in Australia. And yes, their love for fruit lives up to the name.
Walking is just a tool to reach the ultimate goal, doggy forehead kisses.
Never gonna pass up a free treat.
Oh, yeah.
And this may be the happiest dog I've ever seen. This absolutely one.
And we're both right.
My guess, he's looking for his diary, or maybe just...
When you're cool, but also totally awkward. A little misstep.
Solid proof that there's no need for expensive toys when you have a tire.
When you're orange and emotions are hard.
No one enjoys life quite like a golden retriever.
That's not a bird feeder anymore, it's a bear snack dispenser.
Welcome to night one of Will Jane watch me eat my dinner.
She's just checking the menu.
Yeah.
Brown snakes are highly venomous and common across Australia. That's why professionals, not homeowners, should always handle a situation like
My birds, and I feel like they're gonna get to me next. Every time he moves, they chase him.
well, looks like they're busted.
When the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
When you try to get up, but decide it's not worth it.
Okay. Whatever it is you need to do, I guess.
He's going. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
Get off. Kitty, get down.
He's actually enjoying this way too much.
oh, what a good girl.
Welcome to where fur meets funny. Get ready for the most hilarious bears caught on camera.
He's sleeping like tomorrow's somebody else's problem.
How many raspberries can you balance on your nose, Samantha? 1, 2, good job. Very good. That's good. That's
lesbian? Oh, I'm so proud of you.
From his screaming.
The real reason behind the balding tail.
Yeah, he's right under the tire. Oh wait, here he is.
Nope. Nope.
Hey friends, funny and...
It's his birthday, and he knows something special is coming. When the floor tastes better than expected.
Walking is just a tool to reach the ultimate goal, doggy forehead kisses. Flag, and the club's won.
Nikki, nasıl açıksın lan?
Hi, Nikki. You did great. Did you do okay? Yeah, you did a great job.
Finally here.
There's a bear in your car!
When the floor tastes better than expected.
That's it. That's it. I know. That's your baby girl. That's your baby girl.
That moment.
That's one unforgettable first impression.
Even when your body's 100% joy, being a good boy still matters.
Wake the baby up.
Hey, 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 hey. Slow down.
When you're orange and emotions are hard.
This 4-year-old female elephant can paint pictures of trees. Who knew elephants had artistic skills? This 4-year-old female elephant can paint pictures of trees. Who knew elephants had artistic skills?
Oh no, Bear is just taking his mobile buffet to a more private location. Sometimes, it's hard to hold the love that is huge. Go spin. The winner will win a lifetime supply of salmon.
Gentle, 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 very gentle, gentle.
Hey, Bear.
The corgi is taking mental notes to be the best nanny ever.
You more than anything. You're just a baby. You're only a baby.
Gentle, 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 gentle.
Waiting to say hi to the baby first thing in the morning. Why didn't this new human come with the extra fur package?